Hello, I'm Tim Fisher, the warden here at Fen Drayton Lakes in Cambridgeshire, and we're just having a look at the floating fence that we've installed through the PEBBLE fund, and looking at the work it's going to do to protect some of our ground nesting birds. We've got a variety of habitats here at Fen Drayton Lakes, including open grassland, woodland, open water, and all the kinds of habitats you'd expect to find in a mineral works. So we've had a floating anti-predator fence installed this year, paid for by the PEBBLE fund, which is intended to prevent foxes and other land mammals from being able to access the nests of ground nesting birds such as common terns, black-headed gulls, avocet, lapwing, redshank, all birds that need help with nesting habitat. Our other areas of grassland are very much open to foxes and potentially badgers, and the nests stand little chance really in that area. So other improvements to the area include carrying out earthworks to reduce high areas of ground and to increase feeding areas for wetland birds, and increasing the muddy areas between the water and the grassland, and also to lower and clear vegetation from the island, which will then give us a fresh start to allow us to manage the island and the vegetation on there to keep it in the best condition for breeding birds. So this is an area where we have managed scrub particularly for nightingales and hopefully for other scrub breeding species as well, where we're creating what's known as a mantle and saum structure of higher, taller standing trees with ground cover and fill-in cover at all levels from the canopy down to the ground, which is the type of conditions that nightingale really love. So this is really valuable work that helps a good number of species, not just birds, but invertebrates and flora, and it's just work that we wouldn't have been able to do without money from the PEBBLE fund.